that's the place, Tirupulani, where Lord Rama spread kusha grass on the ground, and for 3 days and 3 nights he was praying, soliciting the help, asking for the help of Varuna. And at the end of the 3 days and 3 nights, when Varuna Dev did not appear, Lord Rama became very, very angry. Just like how he had become angry when Sita Devi was abducted, right? So that was the first time when Lakshmana saw the anger of Lord Rama. The same kind of anger Lord Rama displayed now. So this is the second time when he became so angry. So he took a Brahmastra and he said, I will dry up the water of the entire ocean, and then the monkeys can cross over, walk on the land, and then they can cross over. I'll dry up the ocean water. So he was very angry. At that point in time, so many things were happening around, all around. There were meteors falling and dark clouds and thunder and lightning. So at that point in time, Varuna became very, very upset, and then immediately he appeared in front of Lord Rama. So he came with folded hands along with his wife, and he took shelter of Lord Rama there. So that place, Tirupulani, is known for a place of taking shelter of Lord Rama. Now, how Lord Rama is Sharanagata Vatsala, the moment somebody takes shelter of him, then all the mistakes that were done, they are all forgotten. So similarly, this shelter, taking shelter of Varuna, also happened in that place called Tirupulani. And Varuna Dev, there he mentioned to Lord Rama that I will help you, O Rama, to find your wife Sita. So ask your monkey warriors to construct a bridge. They can throw stones and trees into the water, and by my energy, I will hold them up. I will not let the stones sink down into the water. So I will hold. So then afterwards, Nala was asked to construct the bridge, and then so many monkeys, they were tearing down mountains, they were uprooting trees, and they were taking different stones, different size stones, how much ever they can. Like for instance, Hanuman carried huge boulders, some other monkeys to their ability they carried, and at the same time there was one small squirrel which was also carrying some boulders. You can see here the top, so bottom left corner, you can see a squirrel. She was also carrying some dust and stones, and she was throwing into the water. So at that time, one of the Vanaras, he asked the squirrel to move away. Why are you stopping? You will get crushed. Please move away. We are working. So at that time, Lord Rama told Hanuman that, oh dear Hanuman. Hanuman was the Vanara who had asked. Out of concern, Hanuman said this. But then at that time, Lord Rama told, no, she, according to her capacity, whatever service she can render, she is rendering. So it is perfectly fine. Let her also render whatever service she wants to. Right? So this is the place from where the term of squirrel seva came. I am just doing a little squirrel seva, like that some people say sometimes. So this is where that squirrel seva, or in Tamil they say anil sevai, like that, seva, squirrel seva. So that is where the term came from. And Lord Rama is bhavagrahi Janardana. Bhavagrahi means he only takes the bhava, the mood of a person. Okay, so he only takes that. So therefore, whatever service we can offer to Lord Rama, he will accept that. So two terms we have seen today. One is that he is Sharanagata Vatsala. Anybody takes his shelter, he immediately blesses them. And the second is that he is Bhava Grahi Janardana. Okay, so these are two things that we have seen today, right?